What if I told you that surveys might not be boring anymore? What if now you started earning money by completing them? This way of money making is really simple and only requires a few things: an internet connection and your laptop or mobile phone. You can simply sit in your favorite chair with a cup of coffee and get paid with every click you make. And the best part is, you can do this anywhere at any time, and there's no limit on how much you work. Make as much money as you want and improve your financial situation with this simple method I'll be showing you in today's video. Hey Money Crushers, welcome back. This is Stacy and you are watching Money Crush, where we make your dreams come true. With inflation reaching its all-time high and people losing their jobs, I had to research and find out a way where all my Money Crushers can make money just by sitting at their homes. In this video, I'll be showing you the #1 hustle people are going crazy about because it pays a lot of money just to do simple tasks online. How cool is that? This is really a once-in-a-lifetime chance. You can be relaxing at your home and in a few clicks, you earned over $500. Make sure you watch this video carefully and follow all the steps. I have seen a couple of my friends missing out on a few steps and ended up not getting paid. But don't you worry, your Stacy is right here with her amazing research to guide you all the way. Stay with me for the remainder of the video and earn $500 today. Now, before I move on any further, I want my Money Crushers to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on my future videos. Without further ado, let's get straight into the video. I will try to keep this video as short as possible, so you guys can hop straight into making money online. This amazing website I'm about to show you in a minute is one of the most trusted money-making websites on the internet. You just need to complete surveys in order to earn money. The name of this great website is lifepointspanel.com. As you can see here, lifepointspanel.com offers money making from completing surveys. Here you can see steps on how to make money using this website. Step 1. Sign up for a free account. Step 2. Start completing surveys and earning money. Step 3. Get paid via e-gift cards, PayPal, and much more. LifePoints.com has partnered with Special Olympics, PayPal, and Amazon to bring you the best rewards. Here you can see what people have said about this amazing website. This website is truly amazing and you can earn lots of money by using it. In the remainder of the video, I will show you how you can earn $500 a day just by completing surveys on this website. So make sure to keep watching so you don't miss any of the steps. The first thing you need to do is to register for a free account. You can do that by clicking this Join Now button right here. That will take you to this page. Fill out all of the necessary information needed and click Next. Here you must choose your password. Be sure to choose a strong one to keep your earned money safe. After that, you'll have to fill in some basic information about yourself and agree to the terms and conditions of the website. After you're done, shortly, a confirmation email will be sent, and you just need to activate your new account. You'll even get 10 bonus life points for doing so. After you're done, log into your account. The first thing you'll see is your dashboard. Here you can keep track of your life points right here. LifePointsPanel.com even has its own privacy guarantee to ensure that your data is safe and secure with them. If you ever need help after this video ends, you can always use their help center to find the answer you need. Below, you can see available surveys. Within every available survey card, there's a number of life points you'll be receiving and the amount of time needed to complete the survey. For example, this survey right here gives 50 life points and takes 5 minutes to do. Now for my Money Crushers who just want more out of everything, here is a secret tip for you. This secret tip will double or even triple your money, so be sure to pay close attention. When taking surveys on lifepointspanel.com, be sure to answer the survey questions 100% honestly. The reason behind this is that the website algorithm will give you more surveys if your answers all match each other. With this tip, you'll be getting more surveys daily, thus more money. How amazing is that? Now, I know you're excited to go and earn a lot of money, but I have some important things to tell you. At the very top, you can see a community tab. If you head over there, you can see that this great website has a community that allows you to earn even more money. That's really generous, right? Now, I know what you might be wondering. But Stacy, how do we redeem our rewards? Don't worry, Stacy has got you covered. Redeeming rewards has never been easier with this website, and I'll show you how in just a minute. But before we go any further, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to Money Crush, where we make your dreams come true and teach you how to make money online easily. This website offers a lot of different rewards for your life points, and I'll show you how to do it. On your dashboard, click on the Redeem button. That will take you to this page. From here, you can decide how you want to spend your life points. There are a bunch of different ways you can spend life points. For example, here's an Amazon reward. You can even search the list of rewards on the left side, right here. If you want to redeem your money through PayPal, follow the next steps. Here where it says Shop by Brand, click on the drop-down menu. From there, navigate down and find PayPal. Choose one of the rewards shown, depending on how much life points you have. After that, on this page, click the Spend Life Points Now button. From there, at the bottom, click on the Spend Life Points button again. And voila! Your PayPal reward has been redeemed. I know you guys can't wait to try this method out because it's so easy and free. And this was another quick, simple, and easy way to earn real money online. Thanks for watching. This is Stacy, and you are watching Money Crush, where we make your dreams come true. Keep dreaming.